If you see the warning "Check parking distance warning system" in your Hyundai or Kia vehicle, it refers to the parking sensors, not to the camera and radar as many owners may think. The parking sensors are small, round, ultrasonic sensors integrated into the rear and front bumpers. There are two common problems with these sensors. They may get dirty and stop working, or they may fail and require replacement, which is not that uncommon for modern Hyundai cars. First of all, when you see such messages, you should take the vehicle for a good wash and clean the bumpers with the pressure washer properly. Just wiping them will not help much if they are covered with some contaminants that may only be washed with chemicals. Also, after you wash them, you may need several start cycles to let the system calibrate and start working again. If the warning is still there after a car wash, the most likely culprit is a faulty sensor. You may want to inspect the sensors closely and see if they have scratches or dents on them. If the sensor was chipped by a small stone, this will cause issues and it will not function properly. If you can't locate the faulty sensor, the dealership grade scanner will help. They communicate with each sensor and show specific codes to let dealers quickly understand which sensor requires replacement. But unfortunately, this is not a cheap way to solve the problem unless the car is under warranty. Alternatively, you may find a reputable independent mechanic with a good high-end scanner and let them diagnose the vehicle and replace the faulty sensor. Usually such a repair will cost you half of what the dealership will ask for parking sensor replacement.